Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Allure box for July 2019, and let's just get started. So here's my box. I just got it yesterday. So it came like middle of the month, which is about normal. So this month it looks like it was in partnership with Huda, which normally I think would be a good thing, but you'll see why I don't really care. Here's the book, has all the products. I'll tell you about them all. It also came in another one of these pouches. This one at least is not broken, so that's good. All right, the first product, which was right on top, was this Huda Beauty lipstick. It is in the color Alluring, so I'm assuming we all got the same color. But these do retail for, it doesn't say, but I want to say they're in the 20s, 24 maybe. So it looks like it's a red color, which is all they ever give us is red. And this is kind of like a watermelon red. I don't know, does it look blue based? I thought it looked orange based, but on here it looks blue. I don't know. I don't really need another red lip. I have never tried her lipstick, so I am excited to try her formula to see if I like it, but this is kind of like a product for me. All right. The next thing we got is also from Huda, and this is why this box really just isn't for me, but is eyelashes. I have heard that these are very good. I'm just not, I don't do eyelashes. I can't get them to stay on. So I mean, I should probably give these to my daughter. She has to wear lashes for her dance team, so maybe that will be good for these. But I just think that, I don't know. But they look like this. They look nice. They're Samantha's number 7. So I don't know. Let me know. Are these good? I'm sure they are, because I know that's what she started out doing, I think. But the next thing is a perfume sample. This also was kind of like annoyed because we can get these free at Ulta or Sephora, or we can get 2 free ones in the mail if we order online. So I don't know. I don't feel like this should have been a sample in the box, but it's from, so it's from Kaylee, I don't know, something like that, in vanilla. So it smells really good. I can already smell it without even spraying it. It does smell like vanilla, just really vanilla. So there's that. The next thing you could have gotten was the Too Faced Hangover Primer, the Benefit Brow Cream Gel Brow Color, or the Urban Decay 24 Glide On Eye Pencil. I got the Urban Decay Hangover Primer, which I am very happy about because 1, I do like this primer, and 2, I would not really have liked the other 2 products. So I got what I would have wanted out of those 3 anyways. I think this is good. It's not my favorite. It doesn't make my makeup even last long, but it definitely preps my skin and moisturizes my skin enough to apply makeup nicely or smoothly or evenly. So that is also in the bag, the box, the bag, whatever. The next thing I'm also excited about is by Way Hair Care. This is a texturizing spray, and I've never tried this, but I do like it. Obviously, I have texture in my hair, but sometimes when my hair is on its 3rd or 4th day, it needs kind of some life put back into it. So I usually use a texturizing spray for that. So hopefully this will be good. I know people love this brand. I have tried, I think, a leave-in type product, and I did really like that. So I'm excited to try that. I think that will be good. The next and last product is by Tony Moly. It is the Intense Care Snail Hydro Mask. So basically a sheet mask. I don't know what to say. I'm not like thrilled to have this. I definitely will use it, so I guess it's a good product. It's not something that will go to waste. It's just, I don't really like receiving these in subscription boxes. I just feel like these I can go pick up for myself. I like to get subscription boxes to try new products that aren't easily accessible or, you know, can be kind of expensive, like I think this stuff is, and try it out. And normally even makeup items, you know. So this, although it's not like exciting, I mean, I will use it and it will get use out of. I will get use out of it, but it's just not like an exciting product. So although this month is rather really just not for me, I believe it does have a fairly good value because that Huda Beauty doesn't have a price on here, probably because you can't buy that color. But the lashes are 20 and this, I think it's 24. I'm not sure, you can correct me below. So between those two, that's 4 times what the box is worth. So it is a very good value this month. So I hate being so negative, and I really don't mean to. I'm just trying to give you my opinion on what I think as far as what's in the box. Obviously, my favorite product was this. Again, not exciting, but I do love this product and we use it. And I'm excited for this too. So out of this whole box, I'm going to say we got 5 products because I am not counting a perfume sample since we can get those free anywhere we go. So out of the box, we got 5 products. I like or will use 3 out of 10. I guess I'll use this. So I guess 4 out of 10. So I guess it's not a bad box because really I just won't use these eyelashes. But if I had to say like what I like, it's only about 2 products is what I'm happy with or excited to try or enjoy using. So not a very good month. It's kind of a bummer. I did want to update you guys on the return in May for that Lou by John CO, and I can't remember what the product was, but it was the powder that looked like it had settled and wasn't very full. I had contacted Allure to see if I could get a replacement that maybe it leaked, plus it wasn't sealed. And they had contacted me back that they would send another one out, and then they did send another email saying it actually wasn't supposed to have a seal and that product does settle to be lower, but they were still going to send me out a new product. So at least they explained that it was normal, I guess. I still think it's weird not to have a seal on a product, but that is all right. So I have that. I still have not tried it in 2 months, but I did finally, like maybe 2 or 3 days ago, received the replacement product, and I thought I was getting a replacement for that powder, and they actually sent me a balancing, hydrating, and calming serum, which I would have preferred so much more anyways. And I have tried this on my hand, just squirted it to fill. This did not come with a seal either because obviously it's a tube with a straw, and so you can automatically just press it. But it felt nice. I might use this more on my chest area since I'm really not sure. I don't know much about this company, so I need to figure that out, I guess. But I am excited to have gotten this. I think it's a great replacement product for that. And I'm very happy that Allure, you know, at least explained the product, and they probably didn't have to send me anything else because once they explained it, I probably would have been like, oh, okay, you know, still weird, there's no seal, but if it's supposed to settle and be open, then okay. But because they said they were sending me a product, and then a little bit later they sent me another email explaining it, I didn't go, oh, well then don't send me a product. I guess I could have, but I didn't. So I ended up getting this, which I'm happy to use. So that is all for my July 2019 Allure Beauty Box. Let me know what you got. Let me know the different products you got of this because I'd be interested. I got the lipstick all over. Also, if I'm curious to know if you got the same style lashes and the same, I would assume you got the same color lipstick, but I don't know. So I'd love to know that. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching as always, and I will see you in my next video.